Okay, so I bought this guitar in 2012 December when I was proposing to my wife, but I didn't know how to play. So I got a friend to play for me, and as I proposed, which was kind of romantic. And thereafter, it's been in the house, just as a decoration, until last month when Ariane's music teacher told me that it's possible to play. The camera is moving too much, Ariane, up and down. That's a problem. So that's my cameraman, Ariane. Oops. All right, camera woman. And yeah, so let's see what I've learned. What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. One more time, maybe a little faster. This is 5 hours in over the last couple of about a month or so. Just a few minutes in, maybe 2 1-hour lessons, and practicing about 30 minutes, maybe 3 or 4 times. Yeah, so let's see. What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. That last part didn't go so well.
Today my hand is getting tired. I've tried to stay still.
But now you see the video is messed because you said something in it. But let's see. Okay, last, you can hold with 2 hands. That's fine. That's okay. Good job. Let's try. What a friend we have in Jesus. Can join me. All our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. How was it?
Oh, nice.
Can I play one last time and you sing along with me? I know that the video, this time is the 4th time you're playing, so you can just sing, even if your voice is louder than the microphone is just okay. That's fine. Okay. This hopefully is the last time you're playing it.